The 2026 Bismarck Battleship is one of the most fascinating concept warship ideas ever imagined, blending the legendary presence of the historic German battleship with cutting-edge naval technology that reflects the demands of modern warfare. While the original Bismarck became one of the most famous battleships in history, a 2026 interpretation envisions what such a vessel could become if it were designed using today's engineering, stealth technologies, advanced electronics, and powerful weapons. This concept is not just about building a larger ship. It is about creating a floating fortress capable of dominating both conventional and high-tech battlefields. From its sleek appearance to its advanced combat systems, the modern Bismarck represents a unique combination of history, innovation, and raw firepower that captures the imagination of naval enthusiasts around the world. The overall design preserves the unmistakable silhouette of the legendary battleship while incorporating modern stealth shaping to reduce radar detection. Angled surfaces, enclosed sensor arrays, and a streamlined superstructure help minimize its radar signature without sacrificing the intimidating appearance that made the original vessel iconic. Advanced composite materials are used throughout the ship to reduce weight while increasing durability and corrosion resistance. These materials also improve fuel efficiency and reduce maintenance requirements, making the battleship more practical for extended deployments. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Bismarck concept is its hybrid propulsion system. Instead of relying solely on traditional steam turbines, this futuristic battleship combines powerful gas turbines with electric propulsion. This arrangement delivers excellent acceleration, improved fuel economy, and quieter operation during low-speed missions. The electric drive also supports the enormous electrical demands of modern radar systems, directed energy weapons, and advanced communication equipment. Despite its massive size, the battleship can achieve impressive cruising speeds while maintaining exceptional stability even in rough ocean conditions. Firepower remains the defining characteristic of the Bismarck. The concept retains the legendary large-caliber main guns, but they are completely redesigned using modern technology. Automated loading systems dramatically increase the firing rate while reducing crew requirements. Precision-guided artillery shells equipped with GPS and advanced targeting systems allow these guns to strike targets with incredible accuracy at distances far beyond what traditional naval artillery could achieve. Instead of simply firing conventional shells, these modern weapons can launch guided projectiles capable of engaging both land and sea targets with devastating precision. Supporting the massive main guns is an extensive collection of vertical launch missile systems integrated throughout the ship. These launch cells provide remarkable flexibility by carrying long-range surface-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, land attack cruise missiles, and anti-submarine rockets. This versatile missile capability transforms the Bismarck into a true multi-role combat platform capable of defending itself while simultaneously attacking enemy ships, coastal installations, aircraft, and even ballistic missile threats. The ship becomes a complete naval strike platform rather than relying on escort vessels for protection. Air defense receives a major upgrade through advanced phased array radar systems that continuously monitor the surrounding airspace. These radars can detect stealth aircraft, incoming missiles, drones, and multiple threats simultaneously. Combined with sophisticated fire control computers powered by artificial intelligence, the battleship can automatically prioritize threats and coordinate defensive responses in real time. Close-in weapon systems equipped with rapid-fire cannons provide the final protective layer by destroying missiles and drones that penetrate the outer defensive perimeter. Electronic warfare capabilities make the 2026 Bismarck even more formidable. Advanced electronic support measures constantly scan the electromagnetic spectrum for hostile radar and communications. Powerful electronic jammers disrupt enemy targeting systems while deceptive decoys confuse incoming missile guidance systems. Cyber defense suites protect onboard networks against hacking attempts and electronic intrusion, ensuring that critical combat systems remain operational during intense electronic warfare environments. These technologies make the ship extremely difficult to locate, target, and defeat. Modern naval warfare increasingly depends on information superiority, and the Bismarck concept excels in this area. Integrated combat management systems connect every sensor, weapon, and communication device into a unified digital network. Data from satellites, reconnaissance aircraft, drones, submarines, and allied ships are processed instantly to create a comprehensive battlefield picture. Commanders receive real-time updates that allow rapid decision-making and precise coordination with friendly forces operating across vast distances. The battleship also serves as an advanced drone command platform. Dedicated facilities allow it to launch, recover, and control multiple unmanned aerial vehicles for reconnaissance, surveillance, electronic warfare, and precision strike missions. Unmanned surface vessels extend patrol capabilities around the fleet, while underwater drones conduct mine detection and submarine hunting operations. These autonomous systems significantly increase the battleship's operational reach without exposing sailors to unnecessary danger. Anti-submarine warfare capabilities are equally impressive. Hull-mounted sonar, towed sonar arrays, and unmanned underwater vehicles work together to detect even the quietest submarines operating at long distances. Once a threat is identified, anti-submarine missiles and lightweight torpedoes can be launched rapidly to neutralize hostile underwater targets. Onboard helicopters equipped with dipping sonar and sonobuoys further extend the ship's underwater surveillance range, creating a highly effective defensive shield against submarine attacks. Survivability remains one of the greatest strengths of the Bismarck concept. Unlike smaller destroyers that rely primarily on avoiding enemy fire, this battleship combines active defenses with exceptional physical protection. Modern composite armor reinforced with advanced ceramics protects critical compartments while reducing overall weight. Multiple watertight sections, automated firefighting systems, blast-resistant bulkheads, and redundant power systems ensure the ship can continue fighting even after sustaining significant battle damage. This emphasis on resilience reflects the original Bismarck's legendary toughness while incorporating decades of engineering advancements. Crew comfort has also evolved dramatically compared to historical warships. Modern living quarters provide significantly improved accommodations with climate-controlled cabins, advanced medical facilities, fitness centers, recreation areas, and high-speed communication systems that help maintain morale during extended deployments. Automation reduces the number of sailors required to operate the vessel, allowing a smaller crew to manage systems that once required thousands of personnel. This reduction lowers operational costs while improving overall efficiency. The flight deck, located at the stern, supports multiple naval helicopters capable of anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue missions, logistics transport, and over-the-horizon targeting. Some concept versions also include facilities for vertical takeoff drones and future unmanned combat aircraft, giving the battleship greater flexibility in surveillance and strike operations. These aviation assets greatly expand the ship's situational awareness and combat effectiveness across vast maritime regions. Environmental sustainability is another feature incorporated into the futuristic design. Hybrid propulsion reduces fuel consumption and emissions while advanced waste management systems minimize environmental impact during long deployments. Efficient power distribution networks optimize energy usage across weapons, propulsion, sensors, and support systems. These improvements make the battleship more economical to operate despite its enormous size and combat capability. From a strategic perspective, the 2026 Bismarck would serve as both a powerful combat platform and a symbol of national strength. Its imposing appearance alone would provide significant deterrence, projecting military power wherever it operates. During humanitarian missions, the ship's large internal capacity could support disaster relief operations by carrying medical supplies, helicopters, engineering